We had part two on the refrigerator as we was. This is his nice refrigerator. I'll fix it. Just about there. See what I'm saying? Drug it. It's been drugged. Don't like that too much. I ain't happy about it. I got fixed.